Welcome to Round Rock Homes for Sale this week with Robert Butler. Hey, this is Robert Butler with Keller Williams Round Rock, and I'm here today with Anna Ashton from Pure Realty. Anna, tell us about this wonderful property here at College Park.
So, Robert, you are right. It's a beautiful home. It has 2,300 square feet, 2 levels, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a great location.
I love the beautiful open floor plan down here. It makes the living room look gigantic. I also really like that there's a second living room upstairs,
Yes.
And a big bedrooms. So lots of space.
One thing you mentioned that you like the open space. So the kitchen, it's really connected to the living room and dining room, and with those beautiful 42-inch cabinets, you do have plenty of storage space, and the countertop is up, so the island, it's so big.
You do have a really big island here. You do.
It's great for entertainment.
Anna, thank you so much for being on the tour.
Thank you. It's been my pleasure.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Thank you for watching Round Rock Homes for Sale this week. Are you thinking about buying or selling a home? Call Robert Butler at 512-758-9134 or visit discoverctx.com. For more weekly updates on Round Rock Homes for Sale, click subscribe